Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Corey Pollard and I'm a workers' compensation attorney in Richmond, Virginia. Today we're going to talk about one of the most common questions in any work injury case, and that is, when is the best time to settle? The truth is that there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. Every case is different, every person is different, but there are some common factors to consider when deciding if it's time to call the insurance company about settlement. First is whether or not your injury is covered. If you have a strong case for coverage, then it makes sense to wait longer to try to settle. On the other hand, if there's a possibility that the commission will deny your claim and find that you're not entitled to any benefits under the Workers' Compensation Act, then you may want to settle sooner rather than later. The second factor is the severity of your injury. The more severe the injury, the longer you should wait to settle so that you know the full extent of how the injury will affect your ability to return to work. The third factor is what treatment will you need. If you need multiple surgeries or even a surgery, then you want to wait until that surgery is done to try to settle. On the other hand, if your case or your injury resolves fairly quickly with conservative treatment, then it makes sense to settle sooner. The fourth factor is how long will it take to heal. The longer it takes to heal, the longer the uncertainty about your future, and the longer you should wait to determine the fair settlement value. And the fifth factor is what's your personality and risk tolerance. Some people have no problem going through the stress of litigation. They have no problem with the commission denying their case. Some of you, however, may not like to gamble, and you'd rather settle and get the certainty of a lump sum instead of facing the uncertainty of trial and litigation. So to sum it up, my best answer to when should you settle your workers' comp case is when you know the full extent of your injury and how it will affect your ability to work for the rest of your life. Tune in tomorrow for my next article on workers' comp settlements, and if you have any questions, call me at 804-251-1620 or 757-810-5614, or you can visit my website, www.cpollardlaw.com, for more answers to your questions about workers' comp.